Peace be with you, my children. Let your hearts be open to the light of this new day.
I cannot believe what I am seeing. What is happening? It defies reason. It is magnificent and terrible.
Do not be afraid. I am here with you.
Look, he lives! It is a miracle. Praise the Lord.
I believe he is the Son of God.
That is it. Keep the rhythm steady.
Oh, this is much easier than I thought.
This is truly delicious. You must try it.
Oh, the stars are shining bright tonight, yeah. This is the life, right here with all of you.
His words bring such peace to the heart. Indeed, the evening light feels warmer now.
I know things have been hard, but I'm glad we have this time together now.
Me too. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
I don't understand why these things are happening. I feel lost and I don't know where else to turn.
I remember my hometown well. A small place by the river where my family lived for generations.
But the festivals, the harvest festivals, were incredible. Everyone would gather by the old oak tree. I doubt it's still the same.
Release your burdens unto me, and let the flowers of your memory bloom brightly in the light.
First, I see a future where I can use my hands to create, to sew beautiful clothes that make people feel cherished.
I know who you are. You are not forgotten. We gather here not just for warmth, but to share the truths that light our way forward. Peace be with you. Know that you are cherished, and your worth is boundless in the eyes of the Father. Let go of your burdens.
We have walked many roads beneath the sun and rain, but tonight we rest here.
The journey concludes. I am at peace. I have found myself again. Take this sustenance, and may you be blessed with peace. We thank you, Master, for your endless generosity. Here, take this bread. May it bring you strength.
Thank you, sir. Bless you.
A small kindness is like a stone dropped in water. The ripples extend outward, touching every soul in an endless chain of goodness.
This is our new direction. Ahead, in that village, we will find those who need our help the most. Come, let us walk together in purpose.
See, just a few more stitches and these will be good as new.
Really? Thank you so much.
Thank you for helping me with these provisions.
Of course. We are glad to help.
I have left the shades behind. This world, it is
This is exactly how I pictured our future unfolding. Yeah.
And these plans make it official.
To us and to everything we're building together. See how their lives have been revived. The harvest is truly blessed this day. The evening chill bites hard. Here, let this warm you. Thank you. You are too kind. Welcome. You are safe here now, among friends.
Thank you. We are so grateful for your kindness.
Weave it through here like this. Ah, I see now. Thank you. Soon this net will catch us a great bounty.